So immediately after the operation, I totally felt the kind of, I suppose, the tension that was in my knee from the tear, and that kind of blocking full motion was alleviated. And I didn't really feel kind of like any pain in or persistent throbbing or anything. It was just the fact that I was on crutches for a week or so. But apart from that, it was relatively pain-free and good operations. Slowly but surely, I think the main thing was just the muscles in my legs had been slightly depleted, but apart from that, the range of motion and stuff had come back, which I didn't have before.
It's just nice to highlight the scars after keyhole surgery. So these are the two scars that you have, and that's typically when most people have scars after keyhole arthroscopy operation. This is your old scar from your previous ACL surgery, which was a hamstring graft. The problem you had before was straight to your knee, and that's gone completely.
It's been really good, certainly compared to the ACL injury. It's been a much shorter recovery period, but now 6 weeks I'm back up walking around and doing kind of everyday normal things, and we'll hopefully be getting back to exercise in the next week or so. I've got a few more sessions of physiotherapy, but just kind of sticking to what he says, and it kind of gets better and better each week. So yeah, looking forward to getting back out on the bike and playing football again.